Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexpips.com. I am here with the final analysis of 16th of October 2019. Okay guys, first of all, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then do subscribe it, and also do not forget to press the notification button so that you can get on keeping the forex trading analysis from my side. Okay, now let's move towards today's analysis. This is the signal report that I have sent to the subscribers early in the morning, and EURUSD with the bullish expectation from 110396 and 110658 was the target price. And guys, you can see right from the entry the market started to make into the upward direction, and it has went beyond the barriers of the target price. So I congratulate all those traders who have taken the buy positions today on EURUSD. They must have ended up with very good profits. At next we are going to talk about the trade on AUDUSD. So AUDUSD with a bullish expectation from 067438 and 067759 was the target price. And guys, you can see after a long wait, AUDUSD has went into our way and it's on the way towards the target price. So if you have taken the trades on AUDUSD, then you must be in a very good profit. At next we are going to talk about a drop that we have seen today on USDCHF, and USDCHF with a bearish expectation from our side from 099729 and 099502 was the target price. And guys, you can see the drop was big and it hit the target price with no problem. So congratulations to all traders who have followed my signals. They must have ended up with very good profits. At next we are going to talk about Great Britain Pound JPY. Okay guys, we have seen some kind of volatility on Great Britain Pound JPY, and with a bullish expectation from 139157 and 140441 is the target price. If you look at the daily candle, then the daily candle is pumped up, and look, if you look at here, then it's just on to the way towards the target price. At next we are going to talk about AUDJPY. Okay guys, I'm going to take you towards the chart, and now I'm going to take you towards the signals report. So AUDJPY with a bullish expectation from 73303 and 73692 was the target price. And guys, you can see AUDUSD has break the entry and then it is moving into the upward direction. So if it keeps its momentum like this, then it can reach up to 73692. Okay, moreover, we have two losing trades of the day. We did not talk about the losing trades. So moreover guys, for the newcomers who are just new to the trading channel, let me explain. You can see the two indicators on the screen, the low upper red boundary and the lower red boundary. So the upper red boundary is the overbought levels. Whenever you see that the market is dropping from the overbought levels from the top red boundary, then you can sell the pair. And whenever you see that the market is into the lower red boundary and it's gaining the momentum, like here you can see it entered into the red boundary and then it started to gaining the upward momentum, then you can buy the pair. And guys, this is how we use the trading system. Okay, moreover, the scalper is here. When the scalper points the white arrow in the oversold levels, then time to buy, and when it points the red arrow at the top, then it's the time to sell. So this is how we use the trading system. Okay guys, this is all about the today's analysis. So if you are looking to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, or guys, if you want to learn how I prepare the signals report, because this signal report is based on a trick and I teach this trick for $700, and I take the subscriber on Skype for 3 days training and he prepares signals with me, and after 3 days you will be able to prepare your own signals. So guys, if you are interested in any of the service, for all this you need to send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. Please do like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.